Welcome to our health and fitness channel. Today we will explore the top 11 foods for muscle building. Stay tuned for valuable insights and tips. Building muscle is not just about exercise. Nutrition plays a key role. We will guide you through the best foods to help you achieve your muscle building goals. These foods are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for muscle growth and repair. Superfood number 1, eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse for muscle building due to their high-quality protein content, providing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. They are also rich in leucine, a particularly important amino acid for muscle building. Beyond protein, eggs contain a variety of nutrients beneficial for overall health, including B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production. The yolk is a source of healthy fats and additional proteins, making the whole egg an ideal food for muscle development. Furthermore, the vitamin D found in eggs aids in the absorption of calcium, supporting bone health, which is essential for a strong muscular framework. Superfood number 2, salmon. Salmon is highly regarded for its muscle-building properties, primarily due to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known to aid in muscle protein synthesis and decrease muscle protein breakdown post-exercise, enhancing muscle recovery and growth. Salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein, necessary for repairing and building muscle tissue. Additionally, it provides a good amount of B vitamins, essential for energy production and overall muscle health. The presence of vitamin D in salmon further supports muscle strength and bone health, making it a comprehensive choice for anyone looking to improve muscle mass. Superfood number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands out in muscle building due to its high protein content, which is almost double that of regular yogurt. This protein is a mix of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein, providing a sustained source of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. It's also rich in calcium, essential for muscle function and overall skeletal health. The probiotics in Greek yogurt aid in digestion, ensuring that the body efficiently absorbs all the nutrients necessary for muscle development. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is a versatile food that can be included in various meals, providing a convenient way to increase daily protein intake. Superfood number 4, tuna. Tuna is an excellent food for muscle building, primarily because of its high protein content, which aids in repairing and building muscle fibers. It is also a low-calorie, low-fat source of high-quality protein, making it ideal for those looking to gain muscle without adding excess fat. Tuna is rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for the maintenance of muscle health and energy production. The omega-3 fatty acids found in tuna reduce inflammation, which can accelerate muscle recovery post-exercise. Additionally, the presence of vitamin D in tuna supports muscle health and aids in calcium absorption, essential for strong bones. Superfood number 5, chickpeas. Chickpeas are a valuable plant-based source of protein, making them a great option for muscle building, especially for vegetarians and vegans. They contain both carbohydrates and proteins, which are essential for energy and muscle recovery. The fiber in chickpeas aids in digestion, ensuring efficient nutrient absorption. They are also rich in iron, which is vital for transporting oxygen to muscles and improving endurance and strength. Additionally, the magnesium in chickpeas plays a role in muscle function and recovery, making them a beneficial addition to any muscle-building diet. Superfood number 6, shrimp. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein, crucial for muscle building and repair. It is low in calories, allowing for the consumption of a substantial amount of protein without excess fat and calories. Shrimp also contains a high amount of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are essential for muscle growth and recovery. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in shrimp reduces inflammation and can help speed up recovery after intense workouts. Additionally, shrimp is a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and selenium, which support overall muscle health and immune function. Superfood number 7, tilapia. Tilapia is a popular choice for muscle building due to its high protein and low fat content. The protein in tilapia aids in muscle repair and growth, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. It is also rich in selenium, a micronutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle health and antioxidant defense. The low calorie count of tilapia makes it suitable for those looking to build muscle without gaining excess weight. Furthermore, tilapia provides essential B vitamins, contributing to efficient energy production and overall muscle function. Superfood number 8. Edamame. Edamame beans are a fantastic plant-based source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle building and repair. They are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and the efficient absorption of nutrients necessary for muscle growth. Edamame contains healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. They are also a good source of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K and folate, supporting overall health and muscle function. The presence of iron and magnesium in edamame further enhances oxygen transport to muscles and improves muscle endurance. Superfood number 9. Scallops. Scallops are an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. They are low in fat and calories, making them an ideal choice for those looking to build muscle without excess fat gain. Scallops contain a high amount of B12 and magnesium, both of which are important for muscle health and energy metabolism. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in scallops helps reduce muscle soreness and inflammation post-exercise. Additionally, their quick cooking time makes scallops a convenient and nutritious option for a post-workout meal. Superfood number 10. Tofu. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein source, making it a key food for muscle building, particularly for vegetarians and vegans. It contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. Tofu is also a good source of iron and calcium, minerals crucial for muscle function and bone health. The low-fat content in tofu makes it ideal for those looking to increase their protein intake without adding excess calories. Additionally, the phytoestrogens in tofu can provide additional health benefits, including antioxidant properties that can aid in recovery and muscle health. Superfood number 11. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is a highly nutritious, gluten-free seed that's beneficial for muscle building. It's a good source of plant-based protein containing essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. Buckwheat is also rich in complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for workouts and muscle recovery. It contains magnesium, which is important for muscle function and recovery, and B vitamins essential for energy metabolism. Furthermore, buckwheat's high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, which is vital for optimal nutrient absorption and muscle health. Many people struggle with getting enough protein and essential nutrients from their diet. These foods address these common challenges. Start by including at least 2 of these foods in your daily diet. Gradually increase the variety and quantity based on your muscle building goals. Planning your meals can help ensure a balanced intake of these muscle building foods. Combine different foods to get a variety of nutrients. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular exercise is key. Start incorporating these foods into your meals today and see the difference in your muscle growth. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips. Share your progress and experiences in the comments below.